Welcome learners to Puri Padhai. In this tutorial of the HTML video series, we will learn about HTML formatting, and in that we will be dealing HTML small formatting tags. What it says is that the HTML small element defines small text. Now this is the tag that we will be using. In the example it is clear, H2 HTML small written in the opening and closing tag, formatting H2. Now we will go to Notepad++ quickly to see what could be the text. Now here we have written P code HTML small and formatting. What does that small do? Will basically make this letter of small into less size. So we can write XYZ123 and we can save this file in a folder. You can save anywhere you like in your desired destination. I will save it by html17.html. Save.html extension is necessary to put. Now we'll go back over here. We'll open up this file in the Google Chrome. Let's see. Yeah, here you can see HTML small 123 XYZ formatting. Let me zoom out a bit so you can see it clearly what are the changes which has taken effect. Yeah, here you can see HTML formatting, and small 123 XYZ is somewhat in small in size as comparatively to HTML and formatting. This has happened only because we have used the tag small over there. So this is how you can do the formatting of HTML. Now let's go to the second formatting, that is big formatting in HTML. The HTML big element defines the big text. Now let's see what does this big text tell. H2 HTML big formatting and closing tag of H2. Let's again go back to the Notepad++, and here I have already written formatting, closing tag and opening tag of formatting, and then its paragraph. Okay, now let's see what would be the result. We will save again this in a particular folder, HTML tutorials, open, name you can give 18 followed by .html must, extension to be put. We'll go back to the destination, and here we will open up in the Google Chrome browser. Let's see what are the changes now. Yeah, let me again zoom out a bit so that it's very much clear and visible to you all. Yeah, here you can see that this formatting is written small, and this formatting is somewhat appearing to be big, and it is actually big. Now this thing is coming out small not because we have used any small tag. See, we have not used any small tag over here. We have not used any small tag. It's just a big tag that we have used over here. So this formatting is somewhat appearing bigger. So you can see formatting 1 2 3 X Y Z, Ctrl+S, save, reload this page. Yeah, you can see this is much bigger than this. So this is how we can use the small and the big formatting HTML tags for making our text in the HTML website big or small. Hope you would have understand this formatting concept of big and small. So thank you learners. Now we will meet in the next tutorial of this HTML video series. Till then, happy coding.
Your feedback is valuable for all. So please comment, like and share with your friends. Thank you.